Welcome to your News Ticker Central, your place for technology and gadget top lists, must-haves and reviews. Before we begin, please take a second to subscribe. Now that you have subscribed, let's begin.
Samsung has introduced an inexpensive smartphone, Galaxy F22, with a quad-core camera and a large battery. Samsung announced the mid-range smartphone Galaxy F22, which is based on the MediaTek hardware platform and the Android 11 operating system with the One UI Core 3.1 add-on. The Samsung Galaxy F22 has a 6.4-inch HD display with a resolution of 1600 by 720 pixels and a refresh rate of 90 Hz, along with an aspect ratio of 20 by 9, durable Corning Gorilla Glass 5 which protects against any damage. At the core of the smartphone is the MediaTek Helio G80 processor. The chip contains two ARM Cortex A75 cores clocked at up to 2.0 GHz and 6 ARM Cortex A55 cores clocked at up to 1.8 GHz. The integrated ARM Mali G52 MC2 accelerator is busy with graphics processing. The processor includes a 4G LTE modem. At the front of the Samsung Galaxy F22 is a 13 megapixel camera with a maximum aperture of f2.0. A quad camera is installed at the back. It combines a 48 megapixel main sensor, a unit with 8 megapixel sensor and wide angle optics, as well as two sensors with 2 million pixels. The Samsung Galaxy F22 includes Wi-Fi 802.11 AC and Bluetooth 5 wireless adapters, a GPS GLONASS satellite navigation system receiver, a USB Type-C port, and a standard 3.5 mm headphone jack, a rechargeable battery with a capacity of 6000 mAh with support for recharging with a capacity of 25 watts is responsible for power supply. The dimensions of the Galaxy F22 are 160 by 74 by 9.4 mm. The Samsung Galaxy F22 weighs around 203 grams. The smartphone will be offered in the versions of 4 and 6 GB RAM and a flash drive with a capacity of 64 and 128 GB respectively. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe.